Welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. So in our today's class, let us discuss about Pythagoras theorem, which is very important concept for class 10th similar triangles. So let us learn about Pythagoras theorem. So what is the statement of Pythagoras theorem? Statement: in a right angle triangle, square and the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So what is the right angle? What is the hypotenuse and what are the other two sides? Let us see now. So this is a right angle triangle. Right angle means one angle will be 90 degrees, right? So if I consider this ABC as a right angle triangle, then my angle B is 90 degrees. So this indicates that this triangle is a right angle triangle. And the longest side of the right angle triangle becomes the hypotenuse. And the other two sides are AB and BC. So what is the meaning of this statement? Means square on the hypotenuse means square on the longest side, that is AC square is equal to square sum of the squares of other two sides. So what are the other two sides here? AB and BC, right? So squares of those two sides is AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is what we require to prove. So required to prove AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Okay, this is what we need to prove. Next, construction. So what we need to construct means just we need to draw one line BD perpendicular to side AC. Okay, so draw BD perpendicular to AC. Up to here everybody understood construction also. So now let us start the proof. In proof what we have to do means first we have to prove that triangle ABD is similar to the bigger triangle ABC. But before that, let me know how many triangles are we getting when we take one perpendicular BD here. 3 triangles, right? The bigger triangle ABC, other two triangles are ABD and BDC. Okay, so now let us prove that in triangle ABD and triangle ABC, let us prove that these two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ABC, are similar first. Okay, in triangle, bigger triangle ABC, anyhow we know that. If not, let us take triangle ABD first. This is a right angle triangle, right? ABD is a right angle triangle with right angle at D. So I can write angle D is equal to. So what is the right angle of ABC? Is angle B, right? So angle D is equal to angle B is 90 degrees, right? This is angle. Next, is there any common angle in both the triangles ABD and triangle ABC? Yes, angle A is common, right? In triangle ABD and triangle ABC, angle A is common. So we can take angle A is equal to angle A, which is common angle. So by A similarity means angle similarity. Now we can prove that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. Up to here understood? Okay. So now let us prove the remaining part. So anyhow we have proved that triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. Now we have to take the corresponding parts, corresponding sides. Okay, AD by AB is equal to AB is the base by AC, right? AB by AC. Okay, so now cross multiplying AD into AC is equal to AB square. This is equation 1. So up to here everybody understood now? In the same way, let us take second two triangles, that is in triangle BDC and triangle ABC. Okay, Now we have to prove that these two triangles are similar now. Same like previous case where we have proved triangle ABD is similar to triangle ABC. In the same way, now we have to prove that triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Okay. So here also the same case, angle D is equal to angle B, common angle, I mean 90 degrees angle. So angle D is equal to angle B is 90 degrees. So this is angle. Next, one more angle, angle C we are seeing common here in triangle BDC and triangle ABC, right? So angle C is equal to angle C, which is common angle. Okay. Now again by area similarity. By area similarity, triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Right? Triangle BDC is similar to triangle ABC. Now again we have to take the corresponding parts. So what are the corresponding parts here? DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. Okay. So DC is the base and BC is the hypotenuse. In the same way, BC is the base and AC is the hypotenuse. Okay, both are equal. So now here also AC into DC is equal to BC into BC is BC square. Right? This is equation 2. Up to here everybody understood now? Clear? Okay. Next, let us prove from 1 and 2 now. So adding 1 and 2, what we get, we will see now. Okay. So shall I erase this? Okay. So from 1 and 2, if not adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2 we get AB square plus BC square is equal to. So what is AB square? AC into AD plus BC square is what? AC into DC. Right? So that is equal to, if I take AC common here, AC into AD plus DC. Right? So AD plus DC is how much? AC again, right? So AC into AC is nothing but AC square. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is what we have to prove. And we have proved. Okay? So, like this, we can prove that Pythagoras theorem of similar triangles. Very, very important theorem. I hope everybody understood each and every step, whatever I have written here. If anyone has any doubt anywhere, please mention in the comment section so that I can clarify your doubts and rectify my mistakes too, if any. So I hope you like my videos. If you really like my videos, share my videos to your friends, inform them to subscribe my channel. That's all for today. Take care.